See, I'm down for that 240 versus that Rs3.
Yeah, but that'd be me taking money.
Mira, there you go, Eli.
Fierro Eli.
Fuck yeah, I'll race a VR30 over an Rs3.
Alright, let's get it. I got money on the VR30.
Let's get it. Tell him. Go tell him. Go tell him. He won't be down. Go tell him.
I'm gonna
Tell him right now. Tell him right now. Hit up. He won't do it.
I won't put a ball.
Go. Think about this one though right now. Because I had. You said it. Now we're talking.
Now I'm thinking. Now that I think about it. Now that I think about it.
You're just trying to play it off.
Nah, that's
fair.
Imagine how bad this is gonna be when he loses with 2 cars of no go.
Hey, you can't post it though.
I don't know. I'm down though. I'll put it.
You said minimum 500?
Let us know how much you come up with.
Let me win some money real quick against this one.
Alright.
So good. 2 cars in there.
That's insane. What car? With the fucking M240.
Can you even get on line switch at that point?
What's up? You want the fader? Yes or no?
Why does that have to be fucking
You want the fader?
Jumping bitch. Jumping bitch.
Oh, shit, that nigga.
Oh shit, there's a gun right there. There's a gun. Just get behind the wall.
It's in the car.
Damn, let him get down, Oh shit!
Is it one-on-one or what?
I don't know, I think so. Oh my god.
You a bitch. I'll fight you any day of the week. I know you felt that. I know you felt that. Look at you wiping your face.
Who's on?
Yep.